Did you know that your brand new iPhone 17 Air's screen is technically 30 times more durable than the average sheet of glass, yet a single grain of sand can scratch it? Crazy, right? That's why a great screen protector isn't just a nice to have, it's a must-have. Today we're diving into the best iPhone 17 Air screen protectors on the market, from the simplest to the most advanced. We'll compare them head-to-head so you can figure out which one is the ultimate champion for your new phone. All the links are in the description. 6. Spigen Aluminum tempered glass. The Spigen AluminaCore is a powerhouse when it comes to both protection and installation. Its standout feature is the Glass ER Easy Fit tray, which is simply genius. It makes a flawless, bubble-free application so easy it feels like cheating. The protector itself is no slouch either, with a 9H plus hardness and an aluminum-enhanced core that provides serious protection against scratches and impact. It's responsive, crystal clear, and the oleophobic coating keeps smudges at bay. Spigen offers a premium experience, and while it might be slightly pricier than some, the 2-pack bundle and foolproof installation make it an absolute winner. When you compare it to a brand like Zag, Spigen's value and ease of use often make it the better pick, even without a formal lifetime warranty. 5. amFilm OneTouch. Taking the silver medal is the amFilm OneTouch. This protector is the king of effortless installation. Its OneTouch auto alignment tray is so user-friendly that you can get a perfect bubble-free fit in under a minute, even if you've never installed a screen protector before. Beyond the easy install, the 9H hardness glass is incredibly durable, and the HD clarity ensures your phone's screen looks just as vibrant as it did out of the box. The 2+2 pack is a huge value, giving you 2 screen protectors and 2 camera lens protectors. Compared to Spigen, amFilm offers a similar premium installation experience at a more attractive price point, making it a smarter choice for anyone who prioritizes both quality and affordability. 4. TOCOL. Next, we're checking out the TOCOL screen protector. This one is a fantastic budget-friendly option that still brings a lot to the table. It promises military-grade defense and a super easy, bubble-free installation thanks to its included alignment frame. In practice, this frame makes a world of difference, guiding the protector into a perfect fit every single time. It's tough too, holding up against scratches and minor drops like a champ. The 2-pack bundle often includes camera lens protectors, making it a stellar deal. While its marketing can be a bit over the top, the product delivers a user experience that rivals more expensive brands like Spigen, making it a perfect choice for anyone who wants great protection without the high price tag. 3. QHOHQ. Coming in at number 3 is the QHOHQ screen protector. This one takes the ease of installation to another level with a 1-second auto install tray that is almost too good to be true. You just place the frame over your phone, pull a tab, and boom, it's on perfectly. It's a complete game changer. The glass itself is top-notch with a 9H plus rating and military-grade claims that hold up against real-world abuse. The real kicker is the value. This one comes in a massive 3-pack bundle for both the screen and the camera lens, giving you 3 full sets of protection. If you want the most bang for your buck and the simplest installation imaginable, QHOHQ is a fantastic choice that even outshines Spigen in terms of sheer value. 2. ES, and the champion is the ESR screen protector. While all the other products are excellent, ESR pulls ahead with a combination of advanced features, superior durability, and an installation process that's just as easy as its competitors. The magic is in its proprietary Armorite glass, which provides next-level impact resistance that goes beyond standard tempered glass. But what truly sets it apart is the R anti-reflective technology, which significantly cuts down on glare, making your screen clearer and more vibrant in bright sunlight. Its ultra-fit tray makes installation a breeze, and the 3-pack bundle offers fantastic value. While it's on the pricier side, the improved viewing experience and enhanced durability make it a worthy investment that just can't be beaten. 1. NeverBreak. First up, we have the NeverBreak screen protector. If its name doesn't tell you everything, its performance will. This protector is all about extreme durability, and it lives up to the hype with a 9H plus hardness and military-grade protection claim that feels legit in real-world use. It boasts full edge-to-edge coverage while still being case-friendly, a tricky balance to strike, but NeverBreak nails it. The installation is straightforward, but it's not as foolproof as others since it lacks an auto-alignment tray. which means you have to be extra careful to avoid bubbles. While it offers a solid 2-pack bundle for great value, it can't quite match the user-friendliness of some of its competitors. What do you think? Is extreme durability worth a trickier install? Let me know in the comments. So there you have it, folks, the ultimate showdown of iPhone 17 Air screen protectors. Do you agree with our winner, or do you have a personal favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tech reviews, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. All the links are in the description.